Okay, so we're doing something a little bit different today. Got Bilzerian with me. He's going to show us all how he rolls on the firing range.
Typical Monday. First gun we're going to be shooting is an M4. I've shot a lot of M4. Pretty sure you've shot a lot of M4.
I've shot a lot of M4s, but I don't think anyone wants to see me shoot. I don't think anyone wants to see you shoot. They want to see you shoot. You think you can handle those melons?
Of course.
Probably has a little experience.
And they're shortage of melons.
You guys turn around.
I'm going to let you go first.
Number 3. Right, so I've got my shooter in place.
I've picked mine.
I know. Looks like they're getting ready to attack us, right?
Yeah, that was sick. It's smoking too.
Wait. They're right there.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, that's dead.
Oh, yeah.
That was
Nice,
amazing.
nice.
See?
Don't hit it, me.
Whoa.
That's a
Surprise.
souvenir.
Fucking murder,
Right?
dude.
Keep that.
Oh, look at the prop.
Did you get that?